Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is week 2 of Research 2, better known as Credit Recovery 2. What we want to do is want to get some things out of the way. So if you are in my first period, you need to make sure you return my medical history form. Make sure that the information is accurate and correct, because if something happens, then we want to make sure that we have the right numbers on file. Okay, the second thing is the paperwork that you guys are supposed to bring back to me. Remember, there's 2 sheets of paper. One of them's front and back. So make sure you sign 3 times and have your parent or guardian also sign 3 times and get those forms back in, because I am starting to put kids into their credit recovery classes. What we want to do is, if you're an A-Day student, we want you to go ahead and work on Schoology in my class Monday and Tuesday, and be able to work on your credit recovery class Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And now if you're a B-Day student, it's the opposite. We want you to be able to work on your class Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then working Schoology in class with me Thursday and Friday. Okay, so let's take a look at the assignments for this week. If you go ahead and click into your class, you'll see week 2. There are 3 assignments. Pretty much assignment 2 is you're going to go ahead and take a look at your grades and focus and copy them down. Assignment 3, there's a guidance card template attached. You're going to go ahead and fill in, like if it's an English class, fill in the English grade. If it's English 1, make sure you fill in English 1. If it's Algebra 1, make sure you put Algebra 1. Okay, you're going to go ahead and type in all your grades, and then you'll figure out how many credits you have. And then, of course, you need 24 credits to graduate. So now you can see what classes you need. So the assignment number 4 is based on that information. You're going to create your own schedule. So if you're a senior, that's no problem. Just put down the schedule that you have right now, but also put down the classes that you need to do in credit recovery. Okay. Couple of things too. Make sure you bring some headphones, because once you get on your class, there's a teacher on there. So you're gonna need some headphones to hook up into the computer. So go ahead and buy you some cheap $5, $10 headphones so you're able to listen to it. Okay. Any questions? I'll be in school. You have my office hours number, so give me a call if you need me. Thanks, and I'll see you in school Thursday, Friday, or Monday, Tuesday.